Alright guys, I've been using the Rejuvis. This is upside down. Ooh. Hey guys, I was just I was just editing this video and I realized I completely forgot to mention that there is a giveaway for this Derma roller set from Rejuvis. So if you guys are interested in the giveaway, then go ahead and click in the link in the description box down below. And you can get 10% off if you just decide that you want to buy one with the code ZIYA10. So, yay! I totally forgot about that. Still not used to like working with brands and stuff, and so it's hard to remember the things that they tell me. So I just have to open my email and make sure I have it open when I do these videos. But anyway, let's continue. Okay. Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. Hello, my name is Ziya, and this is my little YouTube channel where I do a little bit of everything. And today I'm going to start my review on this Rejuvis 5-in-1 Collagen Boosting Derma Roller Kit. I've been really curious about derma rolling for a while, and I was this close to ordering one off Amazon. A company contacted me on literally the same day that I put a derma roller in my cart. It's crazy. And they asked me if I wanted to review theirs, and I was like, yes, I do. Thank you. I would love to. I'm going to unbox it with you guys right now. I haven't used it yet, so I don't have an opinion on it, but wait until the end of the video and there will be one. This is going to take a week long to film. It's a 5-piece set. It comes with 4 heads and the handle. So it comes in this box, and then in this box we have another box. And inside that box we have a kit here. And it's sanitized and clean and everything. And now we have to pull all this apart. I just washed my hands before starting this video, so they are clean. Here is what it looks like before you take off all the plastic. You have your cleaning chamber right here. The 4 different heads, and one head is actually connected to the handle right now. There's multiple kinds of heads. There's this one, which is for the body. This one, which is for all over the face. This is for the under eye area. See all the different sizes. And this one is like a spot treatment. I think I'm gonna try just using the big one for a few days and seeing how that goes. It's the face one, not the body one. And you really have to clean your stuff. You fill this part with something to sanitize your derma roller, and you have to sanitize your derma roller every time that you use it. I did read up on quite a bit of these things before starting because I like to try to know as much as I can about something new, especially if it's going to be something that includes my body or my face. So I am going to put this away for now, and tonight after I take off my makeup and before I apply my skincare, I'm going to do this for the first time with you guys, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, here I am. My face is all washed and ready to go. I don't know why I was looking at myself weird, but I did disinfect the derma roller. I filled the cleaning chamber with alcohol and placed my derma roller in there for about 10 minutes and then let it dry. So when you're ready to derma roll, you divide your face into 4 to 5 sections. This just helps you keep track of where you've derma rolled. So I did my forehead area, my, I want to say muzzle, but I don't know if that's right, but my nose and mouth area, and then my cheeks. So the derma roller instructions say that there are 4 directions that you need to derma roll. That's up and down, left and right, diagonal up and down, and diagonal up and down again in the opposite direction. So if you're going from the bottom left to the top right, the first time you're going to go from the bottom right to the top left the next time. This helps make sure that you're covering all of the areas possible with your derma roller. And it also says to avoid using overactive breakouts. So I have that one big spot on my cheek that I am not rolling over. I'm skipping over that and not rolling on it. Now that I'm done derma rolling, I'm applying all my skincare products. After derma rolling, your skin absorbs all your skincare products a lot better. And my skin felt so smooth after this. My husband was waking up. And I just finished putting on all my skincare stuff all over the place. Slather it on really thick because I'm going to bed. And that's the end of that. Alright guys, I've been using the Rejuvis. This is upside down. Ooh! Good thing the box is empty. Alright. I've been using this guy here for a week now, and I've done it every other day. So I've derma rolled my face with it about 3 or 4 times at this point, and I really feel like my skin has improved. It feels so soft. Like, I am really surprised by how smooth it's been feeling. I don't know what I was expecting exactly. I just thought, you know, there would be improvement, but I was not expecting for my skin to feel so like baby soft. I don't know what's going on. Well, I do know what's going on. It's the derma rolling. But it's really good. I didn't think that derma rolling would be so beneficial. I still have scarring and everything, and it's supposed to help with that as well. So it's still going away. My dark spots are improving. This one is like that close to being gone. This one's worse, but it is improving. It's getting better, and my skin feels so soft. I'm just shocked by how soft it feels. Like, I don't even know what to say about how soft my skin feels. It's pretty good. And I'm not wearing makeup right now, just so that you guys can see how my skin looks on its own without anything on it. I did blot so that I looked less shiny, but I'm getting shiny already anyway, so was it worth it? I don't know. I don't have as many breakouts. These are all old scars from other breakouts that I've had lately. This is the only one right here that I've had, and I don't really derma roll all the way down here, although I probably should. I'm gonna start derma rolling further down the neck. I really have only done my face, but regardless, it's so good. I'm shocked. Like, I don't know. I'm just really shocked. And usually I have quite a bit of, I shouldn't be touching my face over and over again. I'm gonna stop that. I usually have a lot of tiny little bumps all over my face that aren't really acne, but it's not just smooth skin either. I don't even know what to call it, but there's usually a bunch of tiny little bumps that look like they're gonna pop out and become something, but right now there isn't. It all is very smooth. If it wasn't for my scarring, it would look a lot better. I was already really comfortable going out without makeup, and now I'm even more comfortable with it because I just feel like my skin texture looks so much better, and the texture of my skin has definitely improved. I don't know what to say. Like, I wanted to see results, but I wasn't sure if I would see results, and now that I am seeing results, I just don't know how to deal with it. It makes me really happy. It doesn't help with dark circles, unfortunately. I do have some dark circles forming under my eyes because I have not been sleeping well. There's a lot of personal things going on that I will talk to you guys about later, or if you guys watch my vlogs, you will know, like, in a couple of days. But yeah, that I'm really happy with it. I gotta stop touching my face, but I want to touch my face because it's so smooth and soft. I'm really happy. I couldn't be happier with how derma rolling is going. Of course, you could over derma roll, and you want to be really careful. If your skin is really sensitive, from what I've read, I would consider doing it maybe once or twice a week. Derma rolling is basically tiny little needles being poked into your face over and over again, and it's supposed to help boost collagen production in your skin and healing. I feel like it's done that. A lot of my acne scars are fading. I do need to work on this area in general a bit more. So if I don't derma roll my whole face, I think I'll just focus on these areas, mainly this side. But it's going really well. I'm really happy with it. So if you guys are interested in trying Rejuvis, there will be a coupon code for you down below, and that is everything. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but that's all going to change really soon because Vlogmas is coming up, and that means that there will be a new vlog every single day. I'm overwhelmed as it is. I don't know why I'm putting myself through Vlogmas, but we are going to try and see how it goes. Alright, that's everything. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!